So I'm super excited to be partnering with Thayer.
I'm a star, cause I slay, I slay, I slay, I slay.
Slay Squad, welcome back to another video. So I am super excited to announce that I am a Thayers ambassador. Hey. So it's crazy, I received an email from them saying, welcome to the Thayer Slayer. I was like, Slayer? Hold on. It's crazy because if you an OG, you already know I used to go by K Beauty Slayer. When I first started my YouTube channel, K Beauty Slayer. Because you know, we be slaying over here, okay, period. And then I ended up seeing that there was like a ton of K Beauties already out here. So I'm like, how I'm gonna be K Beauty when there's already a lot of other K Beauties? So then I ended up changing my name to K Beauty TV. No, I changed my name to K Beauty TV, and then I think that's when I realized that the name K Beauty was already taken. So then that's when I switched it to what it is right now, KBC Beauty. So yeah, y'all, a little backstory. But today I'm about to be doing a skincare routine because we gotta give the makeup a break and make sure that you take care of your skin. So I can't keep cooking up all the makeup tutorials. I gotta show y'all how to take care of y'all skin, okay? Yes. Now I'm about to unbox the product. Not me cutting the card. I cut the card in here, y'all. That's why you don't just be cutting stuff. Okay. So, hey, here we go. Okay. I got the toner, facial toner, witch hazel, aloe vera formulated, rose petal. Okay. So I end up getting a new toner. And this is the card that I accidentally cut. Okay, so look, y'all, it says Thayers Slayer. Slay Squad, hey, period. This was literally right on brand. I'm so excited I have this opportunity to be a Thayers ambassador. Okay, so it says, do you accept this rose toner? Now that it's official, welcome to the Thayer Slayer Ambassador Program. Time to enjoy our cult favorite, not cult. Time to enjoy our cult favorite rose petal witch hazel toner and tackle your first mission. Don't forget to tag @Thayers and include hashtag Thayers ambassadors in your content. Okay, period. Okay, so they sent me this nice little Thayers card along with my toner. I am so excited to try this toner. I have literally been seeing Thayers for like years now, and I always wanted to try their witch hazel toner, and I'm so excited to be an ambassador and receiving this product. So hey, so today I'm going to be showing y'all my current skincare routine. So first thing first, I'm going to start with cleansing my face, and currently I'm using the Roche-Posay cleanser. A proper skincare routine consists of cleansing, toning, moisturizing, and skin protection. You can also add exfoliation, masks, and serums. So today I'm just going to stick to cleansing, toning, moisturizing, and then I'm going to do an eye serum. So let's get into it. I'm just going to take a dab of this. When you're doing your skincare routine, you want to make sure you warm the product up in your hand, activate the product, and then gently rub it into your skin. Gentle circular motions to remove any makeup, oil, or dirt from the skin. Get you a nice hot towel and remove all of your cleanser. So now I'm going in with toner to remove any remaining impurities. You want to get a nice cotton pad and apply some products and just work that into your skin. This toner is clinically tested to reduce pores and is good for all skin types. So how does my skin look so far, y'all? It looks so good. Yes. Oh my god. I have like some breakouts right here, so I'm hoping that this toner is gonna help with my breakouts right here. So I gotta be consistent with my skincare routine for the next couple days. And make sure you apply that to your neck, because your neck is the first thing that ages you. And I wanna look as young as possible forever. So you gotta start working on your skincare routine. From age 25, you start to lose collagen. So that's when you need to start taking your skincare more seriously, because you don't want to start looking wrinkly and old. Next, I'm going in with this eye cream from Good Molecules. This is a wake up eye gel, and this basically reduces the signs of puffiness and plump the appearance of fine lines. So I be feeling like sometimes I be getting like some fine lines right here. I am getting older, so I want to make sure that I reduce that as best as I can. So I'm just gonna go in with this eye cream, and I'm taking my ring finger and just applying that under my eye and making sure I get my corner of my eye right here, because I seen some wrinkles starting to pop up. And I don't want to be getting no wrinkles, y'all. I ain't even old. But like I said, when you hit like 25, that's when you start noticing. Really, when you get 30, you start noticing like, hold on, I'm seeing some little wrinkles on my eyes. And then like right here starts to get like wrinkles. So just take care of yourself while you're young. And then when you get older, they're gonna be like, 60 where? You get in your 60s, you ain't gonna be looking all old and wrinkly. And now I'm gonna go in with some moisturizer. I'm so excited that I end up getting new products from Inky Liz. When I had first started my makeup journey, I purchased Ipsy. And in my Ipsy package, it was BoxyCharm and Ipsy. I don't know who it was specifically. I think it was BoxyCharm. Yeah, BoxyCharm. If you're new to makeup and you just want to start out with some products and you don't want to spend a lot of money on products, I suggest getting BoxyCharm, because it's like a monthly fee that you pay, and then they send you big size makeup product. I ended up getting the oat milk cleansing balm from Inky, and I loved it. And that was like some years ago, so I think I might actually go to the store, Sephora. Next time I go to Sephora, I think I'm gonna end up getting a new one. So yeah, this moisturizer, it says that it is supposed to, it's a repairing and plumping moisturizer. So it's supposed to like plump, give your skin like a plumpness to it. So like right here around my nose and mouth area, it's supposed to smooth this area and just leave it nice and plump. So I'm excited to be trying out this product and letting y'all know how it works for me. Hey, skin is looking really good. I'm gonna just put a little bit more. Actually, you don't even gotta put that much. A little goes a long way. Little goes a long way. I've been learned that when I was in cosmetology school. If you're new to my channel, yes girl, I went to cosmetology school. I learned esthetician, skincare, and when you're doing your skincare, make sure you are working the product and moving it upwards. You always want to lift, 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 lift your face so that it's not sagging. Once you lose that collagen, ain't no getting it back. So lift, 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 lift. You want to have a lifted face. Yes. Make sure you get that on your neck. This is how I got rid of my double chin, y'all. I was looking at one of my videos from 2 months ago. I was like, oh my God. Like I still got like a little double chin, but we ain't gonna talk about it. But it was really worse 2 months ago. I was like, hey, I done slimmed up in the face. That's because I've been doing my little skincare. I have a gua sha. I need to start using my gua sha. Like, how you got all this stuff and you ain't using it? Use your gua sha. Okay, so now my face is refreshed and moisturized. I'm going in with this Topicals lip gloss. I love Topicals lip gloss. This is literally the best lip gloss on the market right now. It has like a minty smell and it just leaves my lips feeling so moisturized. It smells good, it feels good. Ooh, I look so good. Skincare routine just aids, like, yeah. So next video, I'm probably gonna do my nighttime skincare routine. Hey, I have some more products that I actually wanna try. So I will be testing out more products in the next couple of videos. So make sure y'all let me know. Have y'all used Thayer's toner? Do y'all be using any other products I use? Do you use La Roche-Posay for your cleanser? What cleanser are you using? What moisturizer are you using? Are you using exfoliator? What is your skincare routine? Let me know in the comments. And that pretty much sums up today's video. Hey, stay tuned for the next video. Bye.